Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well with good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me Asya, and today I'll show you in this video. So beautiful and latest ideas of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women with beautiful haircut, attractive eye-catching hair dye, and so stylish overall ideas. I hope you like it. Different ideas of hairstyling, mostly ideas in low maintenance, messy and spiky hairstyle, but in today's my collection. Some ideas fine hairstyle and some collection. Too short wave and curl on hair. Eye-catching ideas of hair dye, blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, some ideas in funky colors. Very beautiful collection of highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors. And so beautiful collection of haircut, pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cuts, some ideas in steps, some ideas in layered. So beautiful overall ideas. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous, and you look very pretty. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others, and please fully support me, support my channel. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video. Take care and bye bye.